Hi, I'm Dr. Reisa Sperling, and I wanted to record a quick message for Brain Health Awareness and Alzheimer's Disease Month. First, I wish I was able to do this in person, but we're still having very challenging times. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. And I also want to especially voice our strong support for communities of color in these incredibly challenging times. But to really focus on brain health for a minute, one of the most important things I think you can do is try to get some physical exercise. That's been particularly challenging these days when we were cooped up inside, but now with the nicer weather and staying carefully socially distanced with your mask, and hopefully you've got an outside where you can be safely away, 6 or 10 feet away from other people. I think that evidence is strongest for having regular physical activity. And I often tell my patients, they say, how long do you have to exercise and how much do you have to exercise? And I always say, until you break a sweat. That's kind of a way that you know that your heart rate is high enough that you are likely to be up near the levels that are important for changing the way your brain responds. We know that this exercise actually helps your brain produce particular chemicals that are important to help new synapses, the connections between neurons growing, and potentially even grow new nerve cells even later in life. So, even though it's a challenging time, I hope each of you will take 20 or 30 minutes a day. Ideally, go outside and enjoy the good weather. But even if you can't get outside, you can always dance. You can, I know especially you guys are very excited about doing some ballroom dancing, but that one's particularly good once we can do that safely again. I'd also like to say that getting a good night's sleep is important. And in fact, the exercise and the sleep are closely linked because the more that we actually exercise during the day, there's good evidence that that helps our sleep at night. And getting a good night's sleep is important, as you all know, for staying sharp and bright. But it turns out that's probably very important for helping to cleanse the brain of proteins that are accumulating during the day, and the very proteins that unfortunately may predispose people to developing the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. So get out there, have fun, and hopefully you'll sleep well tonight. And very much take care of your brain. It's your most important organ, so do everything you can to take care of it. Thanks so much.